everyone, my name is Michelle and I'm here to show you how to register and sign up with StellaLife as a new account or to log in and order from your existing account. You are going to start by clicking on the Sign In button in the top right corner of the screen. If you have an existing account with us, on the left-hand side, you will enter your email address associated with the account and your password. If you don't remember your password, you can hit Forgot Your Password and you will receive a link to your email to reset that password. If you're going to be signing up for a new account, on the right-hand side, you will enter your first name, last name, and phone number. You will need to check off what your practice specializes in and select how you heard about us. Next, you will fill in your email address and a password you would like to use for future sign-in. You will then finish off the registration process by checking the box to agree to our terms of service and clicking Register below. Once you are done there, you will be brought to the StellaLife main webpage where you can choose from many different options to view our products, reviews, research studies, and more. To see your account details, you will click on the doctor icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once in there, you can see your past orders and registered shipping and billing addresses. Please note your addresses won't be there until you place your first order. On the right-hand side, you will see your account manager information so you can reach out to them at any time. To purchase products from the StellaLife website, click on the shopping cart button, which is the bag on the top right side of the screen. From here, you can select the product you would like. You will click the drop down under quantity to then select how much product you would like to purchase. Scroll down to select more product until you have everything you need selected. If you are a clinician, you will be purchasing a quantity of 1 case or more. Once you have all the product in your cart that you would like to purchase, you can click on the checkout to begin the checkout process. Once at the checkout page, you will enter your shipping address. Next, you will click on Continue to Shipping. You will then select either standard or express shipping if available. Next, you will click on Continue to Payment. Here, you will enter your credit card information or choose one of the other options such as Shop or Amazon Pay. If you have a different billing address than shipping, please select Use a different billing address and fill in the address there. You can choose to save your checkout information for faster checkout in the future. When you are ready to complete your purchase, click Pay Now. You will receive a thank you email with a confirmation of your order. In that email, you will also be able to track your order once it ships out, as well as coming to the StellaLife website and looking into your account information. Thank you for taking the time to go through the sign up and ordering process for StellaLife. We appreciate you and hope you have a great day.